Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I hope all of you are enjoying good health. In this video, I will provide you some useful quotations for essay coronavirus. The first quotation is, and such are the parables we set for mankind, but none will understand them except those who have knowledge. Prophet ﷺ said, when you hear that a plague is in a land, don't go to it, and if it occurs in a land that you are already in, then don't leave it, fleeing from it. Historically, pandemics have forced humans to break with past and imagine their world anew. This one is no different. It is a portal, a gateway between one world and the next. COVID has magnified every existing inequality in our society, like systematic racism, gender inequality, and poverty. Without equity, we can't end COVID-19, HIV, or any other pandemic. The pandemic reinforces what we already know. We can't keep people healthy if they don't have a roof over their head and food on the table. Choose to appreciate. Appreciate what you have, life, everything and everyone around you. Because in these pandemic days, we are losing everything. We are losing our companies, jobs, education, money, houses, cars, family, partners, friends, freedom, social life, and our lives. When we are faced with problems, we should first proffer not just solutions, but actionable solutions. Good solutions are actionable solutions. We can get through this together as long as we stay kind. Prophet ﷺ said, don't cause harm or reciprocate harm. Whoever harms others, Allah will harm him. Whoever is harsh with others, Allah will be harsh with him. Now it is our time. We must sacrifice together because we are all in this together and we will come through together. They call it the coronavirus. I call it the beer virus. How do you like that? Things could always be better, but things could always be worse. Ultimately, the greatest lesson that COVID-19 can teach humanity is that we are all in this together. No matter how much falls on us, we keep plowing ahead. That is the only way to keep the road clear. Now it is a time for us to look after the people who work for us. The secret of crisis management is not good what was bad. It is preventing the bad from getting worse. Courage is not the absence of fear, but rather the assessment that something else is more important than fear. Challenge and adversity are meant to help you who you are. Storms hit your weakness but unlock your true strength. You are braver than you believe and stronger than you seem and than you think. Coronavirus is bringing the whole humanity's perspective right. Coronavirus is not isolating the people, it has connected the whole humanity. In this time of corona crisis, we must have courage to pray fervently for divine intervention to handle the epidemic. We can make fun of the virus, but we can't make fun of the people infected by the virus. Protect yourself if you want to protect others. It is time to seek divine guidance from Allah to handle the crisis of coronavirus. Fear causes death more faster than a virus. Don't share rumors. Share masks. It will help people. A pandemic will lead to permanent social, economic, and cultural changes. The key is to create good from a bad situation. COVID-19 is overwhelming hospitals and heaven. Better to wear a mask than a ventilator. Better to stay at home than in an ICU. The only cure is prevention. The greatest threat to our planet is a belief that someone else will save it. Something good comes out of every crisis. Corona says all humans are equal. This lockdown scenario is an opportunity for the humanity to reset our priorities right. Viruses do not discriminate and neither should we. You must not be able to control every situation and its outcome, but you can control your attitude and how you deal with it. Coronavirus yourself. C. Clean your hands off from gatherings or raise your immunity. O. Only stick to wear masks and no to handshake. A. Avoid rumors. To all nurses and doctors, I want to say thank you for all you are doing to take care of people with the coronavirus. We are we admire you greatly. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more informative videos.